Sacramento State Fair fireworks, man. It's been exactly a year. Here they are. My camera quality isn't perfect. But you can still see it. Jeez, it's been a year since I've done this, man. Look back at my old video. Except today it's not cloudy, unlike last year. Also, constellations are around us. Oh. Jeez. Of course this person. Okay, better not park in front because I want to get a good sighting at this. Ew, whoa. Whoa. Holy, I like that. Whoa. Oh, the AC turned on inside my house too after that. Whoa. Oh, I'm losing breath. There you go, I'm putting it above my head so you can see it better than I can. Whoa, that's cool. Jeez, dude, they're actually doing a lot this time. What was it, Cal Expo? I forgot what my mother said. I think so. Oh, no, the AC's off. Oh, there's a plane above my head. Whoa, whoa. Jeez. There's something in the trees. Or is it someone? It could be just someone acting like Soropa's gonna pop out and just start pouncing on me. Oi, man. Oh, my arms are tired. Phew. I won't stop until the finale. Whoa! These fireworks are nice, and it creates clouds on the horizon. Or not clouds, but smoke. You know what I mean, okay? Days are shortening, so, yeah, that's, yeah, sure, yeah. Whoa! Yeah, days are shortening, autumn is gonna approach soon. In fact, it's actually cooling down. You know, last year it was the hottest year, I think. It broke records, I think, last year, 2024. August, we never like August, because it's always, like, the hottest month for us over here in the valley. But, it's actually cooling down. It's going from, like, 90s to 80s. If it reaches 70s, I'm gonna scream. But I kind of want winter back. Ooh! Because, winter I didn't make much videos, and I'd like to make some more baking videos, because I baked. That video will be coming sooner. Whoa! I think this is the finale. This is crazy, dude. Definitely. Whoa, it's like a ring. Huh, interesting. These fireworks. Huh. Bam. Whoa, I like these colors, man. They go well with each other. Whoa. Oh no, not my condition. Okay. I'm fine. Phew. Whoa! Oh, that's definitely it. Yeah, that's the finale. Woohoo! Oh! There you go. Look at that! Oh my gosh! Holy! Oh my... I like this. I love it. I love it. Oh, I love it. I think that was it. Yeah. Yeah, I guess that was it. It's a beautiful night out. I remember in the winter it always rained. Deal 'em out. Deal 'em out. Yes, that's an Undertale Yellow song I'm writing soon. Of course, you'd have to know. But that was all I had to show. It's been a year anniversary since the Sacramento State fireworks video, which I did near one of our local speedways. So yeah, that's cool. But yeah, that was it. I guess. Oh, there's people over there. I'm gonna get back inside. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below. Share this video, you know. Follow me on everything, Twitter, Instagram. Join my Discord server. If you want to see anything from me, just tell me, okay? Just comment down below. I'll see what I can do. Until then, sorry for the lack of uploads. I'm lazy, man. I don't have an upload schedule. Anyways, yeah, that's it. Go rescue a fox. Also, I discovered something new that I'm just gonna say a couple words. Mint hints. Anyways, go rescue a fox. Bye!